This is a how-to on replacing a ROCA flush unit. So I've got my new one down here. Let's get this out of the box. There we go. So we're not replacing everything, we're just replacing this white unit here that screws into the base bit. We keep this just in case though, in case the other one goes faulty. But I've got a problem up here, which one of the plastic bits has snapped, so let's get this replaced. Let's put that there. So these buttons are a bit of a pain to get out, but basically you want to push the small one, sorry, the round one down, and then lever up that one. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. Yeah. So that's one bit out. Half moon. Get the full moon bit out. Like that. Try not to scratch the plastic chrome stuff. And then in here there's a plastic screw which we just unscrew. Not my usual camera today, so the focus is probably a little bit funny. It's still in. There we go, that comes out. So we got that, got this plastic screw with Phillips head, half moon, full moon button. Then the lid will just lift off like that. So with everything in place, it just locks this cistern lid in, so you can't do anything. What I did here, because I had a continuous leak and problems, I just wedged a screwdriver, if you can see that. Just wedged that screwdriver in there to stop the cistern like constantly filling and leaking. So quite a good tip that if you've got problems. You just need to work out how this works and then just put something in place to stop it. But yeah, these are really simple. All you've got to do is like that, twist and pull up. Now for whatever reason mine's gone completely wrong, so, and some plastic snapped. I'm not sure I can see on here, but anyway, it's knackered. The thing that commonly goes wrong with these is the ring here. You just pull off this end piece of plastic and put a new one in, but these can get limescale on and go hard, and then the water will just dribble down the toilet. You may see that because basically there's no seal in here, there will be no seal. So yeah, these can go. I'll keep that and probably chuck away the rest of the stuff. So here we are here with this new one. Hopefully it looks exactly the same. I've got to take out these screw bits, these screw tops, and probably do a little bit of adjusting, but let's just get this open. Okay, so that's it out. Short flush, that's the full flush, 6 litres and 3 litres as far as I know. All adjustable. So I just need to twist this off. Now you have to put the camera down. Let's put the camera down. Exact match. They're the locating lugs. So we want 6 on the left and then 3 on the right, I think it is. So they just push it down and then click into place like that, so it's really quite simple. We need to remove these pins, sticks, I don't know what you call them. So far it's going alright, it's a pretty simple job. Okay, that's going in. Bit dirty inside. Right, and then the other one. I may need to adjust these slightly so the buttons sit okay like nice and even rather than one dipping down or higher or whatever, uneven. Hold the camera up, twist. Right, that's in, that's in. I'm going to leave the adjustment levels as they are on this for now. So we just need to put the lid back on, just the lid, like so. In here, you see these aren't lining up, so we want to move it across, maybe up a bit. And what we need is them to go in those two holes, which they don't at the moment. Let's have a look. Adjustment, and I've got those roughly central. All you need to do is move this up and down and this left to right until you get it central. And then you can pop the lid back on. Something like that. Let's pop this bit back on again, try that. And that fits in nicely. Then the screw down the centre. And then we just continue screwing that in. That locks this in place. Right, that's nice. Then it's just a simple case of putting these buttons back. So, the small one there, first of all. Buttons look a little bit low, so what we're going to do is we're going to hook that out, take that off, see if I can, nope, right, let's undo it. It's a bit fiddly, so I just need to unscrew pins, take that off, unscrew these, maybe like that, do this one, going to take this off because it's awkward, there we go, let's make them a little bit higher, like that. So, centre again. Right. Not too tight on that. Yep. Small one first to the right. That's nice, that's where we want it. The half one, sorry, full one on the right and then the half one on the left. I'm doing this right. There. And that's it. Quick flash. We haven't got any water. And I've left my screwdriver in there. So I need to take it all apart again. But it's quite quick. That is quite funny. I'm waiting for the comments on this. But I don't fix these every day. I don't do plumbing. This is just me at home trying to fix the toilet. It's good practice though, isn't it? Alright, there's my screwdriver that I spoke about earlier. We need to take that out so this thing starts to fill. There we go. That's filling. I'm going to put all this back. It's done. in, half moon to the left. Job done. Hopefully this will fill up. Well, that's filling up. That's the bottom half. So we will keep that because it's got new washers and stuff. And that is that sealing washer at the bottom that just goes down and seals against that. And then these are the locating, locking bits, and that's the adjuster, I think, for the flush. So let's just see. A quick. Ooh, I need to adjust it. Full flush. Full flush is fine, so I just need to adjust the short flush. I don't think I pressed and held it in. So all I need to do is press and hold it in. That's it. So that's the short one. So yeah, that's it. That's my little how-to on changing the ROCA flush valve, I guess it is. Whether I'm not going to keep that, I don't know, because these things only last for a couple of years before they start leaking, by the looks of it. But I will keep the bottom part, as I said earlier. The piece that I needed, or the part, was this AH0004800R. I understand it's been a D2D. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video. If you just want to subscribe, that'd be cool. Give me a rating, thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, help other people. Take care.